What's up, everybody? It's Brandon from Tattooing 101, and today I'm going to be doing something that I have never done on the channel before. 4 years ago, I tattooed myself on a video showing how to do your first tattoo, trying to get into tattooing. But today, I'm going to do something that I really don't like, and that is actually getting tattooed. Not only with that, we're going to be going over my blackout sleeve that I have started. Today I have Tim, which is my apprentice. He was actually in the Artist Accelerator program along with our private coaching program, and he now works in my studio. So I'm going to have him do a tattoo on me. I've been wanting to go over this for a while, and I just did a test run on it the other day to figure out how it would heal with color and going over with black, and it turned out really good. So I know a lot of you out there want to know what it looks like whenever you're going over a blackout tattoo and kind of the process of that. So today, we're going to be going over all of that. Today, I'm going to be getting a tattoo that's, I guess, kind of meaningful. It is a Oni symbol for guard and protect. I'm getting it for my children. So anytime I'm having a rough day, I could look down at it and be like, okay, this is something that I could push forward and make it happen, because that's why I am here on this earth. So with that being said, we're going to get set up and get into the tattoo. So what would you say in working over blackout would be the hardest thing to do?
I would say try not to overwork the skin. It's a little bit easy to, or it's a little tricky to see where your lines are going in. You definitely got to use a little bit of a bolder line, in my opinion. I'm sure you can get away with doing some finer line stuff over the top. It's just going to be tricky to show up, and you're not going to see your lines going in on that first pass.
For sure. Do you think the scar tissue makes it hard too, the fact that it's been gone over so many times?
I think it definitely, it kind of changes the texture of the skin a little bit. I think if you know what you're doing, you can kind of make an adjustment and feel that pretty quick though.
For everyone listening, what would be kind of the biggest thing for someone that learned online, getting into a studio? What would be the biggest thing that they would learn whenever they actually do either start their own studio or get into a studio? What is like the biggest thing that you think you learn in person over online?
The biggest thing I learned so far was just how important relationships are, like how valuable it is to get close with other artists. You can do the best tattoo in the world, but if you don't have all that other stuff down, if you don't know how to work with clients and be social, it's just going to be tricky.
I would say the biggest thing that has changed you throughout you coming to work for me, that has helped your personal growth, that has come from me, is going to be your nickname. As soon as I gave you that nickname, it just gave you all the knowledge. It was just shot directly into you, and just without the nickname, I don't think you'd be here today. So tattoo is done. I'm going to be updating everyone. I have some Saniderm on it right now about how the kind of natural healing process of this is, what it looks like when it's fully healed. It definitely hurts quite a bit more, but I'm glad that I got it. I'm glad you were able to do it for me, Tim. It's like part of the natural process. I've gotten a lot of tattoos from apprentices throughout my life. This is definitely the best one. Thank you, man. I appreciate you being here, and I look forward to plenty of years working together with you.
Heck yeah.
And if anyone out there is interested in learning how to be a tattoo artist, make sure you like and sub to the channel so I can help you get to that point. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.